Hi everyone, this video is about how to fix the error of Windows 10 very slow and unresponsive. Disable heavy performance process. Open Task Manager. Go to Startup tab and sort the processes by their startup impact rating. Right-click the process in High category and choose Disable. Enable Fast Startup. Open Control Panel. Choose System and Security. Choose Power Options. Then click Choose what the power button does. Click Change settings that are currently unavailable. Check the option Turn on Fast Startup. Then click Save Changes. Disable unnecessary services. Open Services window. Select the unnecessary services and double-click it. Choose Properties. Change the startup type to Disabled. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. Disable transparency effects. Open Windows Settings. Choose Personalization. Click Colors in the left pane. Then scroll down to turn off transparency effects. Defrag hard drive. Open Defragment and optimize drives. Select the drive and choose Analyze. Next, it will scan the drive. After that, click Optimize. Wait for the process to be finished. Adjust virtual memory size. Open Control Panel. Choose System and Security, then click System. Choose Advanced System Settings. Click Settings under Performance section. Go to Advanced tab and click Change under Virtual Memory section. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Select Drive and choose Custom Size. Then input the initial size and maximum size. Then click Set and OK. Upgrade system disk to SSD. Launch Minitool Shadow Maker. Click Clone Disk under Tools page. Then select the source disk and target disk. Click Yes to continue. Then the disk clone process will begin. After that, read the warning information and restart your computer. Thanks for watching. For more information, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.